the grandfather of the Prophet took this baby to the Kaaba, raised him up, physically now, raised him up in front of the Kaaba. And he said, your name will be Muhammad. Your name will be Muhammad. You will be raised up in praise. You will be praised in this world and in the heavens. This is what the grandfather of the Prophet is inspired to say. He chose a name that was unusual. The people in Mecca start making comments. Why would you choose that name? No one, that name was not known, Muhammad, at that time. Was known. The people said, in Mecca, they're making comments. Why would the chief of Mecca choose that name? Deviating from the tradition of how you choose name, especially tribal leaders for their children. Unknown at that time. Today, many of the encyclopedias and reference book, Encyclopedia Britannica, in the article on Muhammad, for example, they said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they said that the most popular name in the world today is Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Unknown when he was born in Mecca, today is the most popular name in the world. There are more people with the name Muhammad than any other name. Subhanallah.